Hi, it's Don here from NTI. I'm here to show you Bonnie, which is a 1946 Ford Jailbar, fully customised, and it is an absolute ripper of a vehicle. Bonnie's one of the toughest and technically challenging builds that we've done. All of our primary repairers and service providers have worked together really closely with us. The outcome, a truly one-of-a-kind vehicle. To build the bodywork of Bonnie, we took 3 1946 Jailbar cabs and cut them all up to make one cab. We then took 6 doors to make 4 doors. In doing all that, we lengthened the cab by 800mm, widened at 300mm, and that gave us the engineering feat that you see behind us today, is a dual cab 1946 Jailbar. We're under the bonnet here and you can see that it's late model running gear through this, so it's a 2019 Isuzu 5.2 litre turbo diesel, 5-speed manual, limited slip diff in the back, 4-wheel drive. It's brought it right up into the 21st century as far as the modern drive goes. You'll be able to take this thing anywhere you like, on-road, off-road, round Australia, whatever. This is a really tough vehicle. To enhance the off-road capabilities of this fabulous vehicle, we've given you 6.5 tonne winch, 7-inch LED spotlights, and that's going to help you get out of any scenario you can come across off-road. Adding to this, we've got airbag rear suspension, cabs on airbags, 37-inch tyres, which make it a really comfy ride. Moving on to the inside of the vehicle now, we have concealed door handles down the bottom here. Open the door and you've got automatic electric steps that come down, making it really easy to access. On the inside, we've got suspension air seats. We've got a cool box in the centre, keep your drinks nice and cool. We've got armrests on the front seat, full leather trim, central locking, air conditioning front and rear, electric windows, leather steering wheel cover, cruise control, touchscreen media, GPS tracking. You name it, it's got it, brings it right up into the 21st century. It is an amazing vehicle. So that's Bonnie. Make sure you enter the raffle to support MND and Me, and maybe you're the lucky one that gets to drive her home.